Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Dual Electronics DC207BT radio, and on the display it's showing you an ERR file error on it and it's not working right. What's going on? So this means there's some kind of fault in the files of the radio, and how can we get rid of this is by doing a factory reset, a hard reset on the radio. Now how can we do that is we need to find the reset button, and the reset button on this radio is actually behind the faceplate. So what you need to do is remove the faceplate and find the reset button. Now the reset button is just about right below the wheel behind the faceplate. Now just a word of warning, if you reset it, it's also going to delete all your presets, anything that you've got this thing paired with and everything. You are going to have to repair everything and redo your presets and all that kind of stuff. But if you're ready to do that, just pull off the faceplate, push the reset button for a second, put the faceplate back on, and the ERR file error should be gone, and you can set the radio back up the way you like it.